If you want to file transfer from Android to macOS, so this video is for whether you are using the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. So I will show how to transfer the file from Android to Mac or Mac to Android. So let's start the process, guys. So basically we need to install the Android transfer, file transfer. Simply once you click on this file transfer link, you need to go to first link here. You need to basically search the Android file transfer. Okay, just search that Android file transfer for Mac, and once you search that, you need to go to first here. This is the link which we wanted. And let me close the advertisement. Now in here, guys, just click on the download option. Once you click on, the exe is downloaded. Now you can see DMG file. Double click on it, and once you double click on it, just need to drag it like this in the application. Now it's done, and let me open the launchpad, and Android one should be showing up here. Now plug in the USB or USB to C on your phone. Let's click on install, put the password. It should be admin password. I hope you know this. Install it. So once it is installing, let's wait here until it's completed. Okay, so now once it is installed, now plug in your phone into the Mac using the USB port to C port or C port to USB, whatever you have. Just open this up, and once you open this up, click on get started, and on the phone you need to click on the file transfer. If the pop-up is coming up, as you can see here, so once I click on the file transfer, you can see here the model number of my Android and all the file and folders inside here. Okay, so if you want to, let's see, if you want to copy and paste these folders, you can do that. Just go back, let's open the camera, downloaded all the file and folders inside, you can transfer here. So let me look for the folder which says camera DCM and camera, same which you do on the Windows. It's loading up. Most of the files you should able to see in the DCIMI, which I have just opened that. It's taking some time since the file and folders are big. Okay, and these are the files and folders images I have. So let me filter it from the last modify to camera. You can see here I have created these videos, 4 videos. Okay, so I want to copy them, so you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard, or even you can drag them like this. You can see, so you can see boot number 3 video is there. So this is how guys you can do the file transfer between Mac and Android. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.